Hello friends, do you know smoking a cigarette may not cost you much financially, but trust me, it can kill you physically. And the risk is the much greater for the people with the diabetes. So in this video, we will talking about first, how is smoking harmful? What is the impact of smoking on the diabetes? And how can you quit the smoking in some simple ways? And what is the nicotine replacement therapy? And what can you expect once you quit smoking? Smoking can never come out to be a good for anyone. It is even a risk when you are a diabetic. The substance called nicotine, which is present in cigarettes and make your blood vessels hard and narrow. When you are a diabetic, you are more prone to inherit the heart disease. Smoking increases the risk of you taking the diseases on you. It is so because it has a direct connection with your immune system. If you are a regular smoker, then you are 30 to 40% more prone to develop type 2 diabetes as compared to non-smokers. It is difficult for a smoker to manage the diabetes and regulates the levels of the insulin in the blood. A constant increase in the levels of the nicotine in the body put an impact on your effectiveness of the insulin. This makes it even more difficult for a diabetic patient to regulate the blood sugar levels, and the patient experiences more fluctuations, which is not good for his health. After knowing all the effects of smoking, you would want to quit it in a least time. Now let us discuss some ways in which you can try and quit smoking. Thing that need to be done is to set a quit date. You should have all the patience in your head. If you are hurry today, you will never be able to quit smoking forever. Second, discuss the deadline with your doctor so that he can help you with the building the support and other necessary things. Keep the doctor informed anyways. Try to be in an environment where the smoking is inconvenient. Stay away from ashtrays, lighters or matchboxes. Try to stay at a distance from the people who smoke. Then take a deep breath whenever you crave a cigarette. Hold your breath as you inhale for 10 seconds and exhale slowly. Spend your maximum time at the places where the smoking is restricted, like classroom, a library or a museum. Plan your diet in such a way that you end up having good food instead of smoking. Practice physical exercises regularly to ease your stress levels after a hectic day. When you are in a race of quitting to smoke, you should keep away from the things like coffees and alcohols, as they increase the urge to smoke. Occupy your smoking time with the other things like going for a walk, talking to a friend, watching TV series. Share with your friends and family that you are on the way to quit the smoking and ask for their support. This way you can quit smoking. Remember that you cannot leave the habit in a day or two. It will take time, but it is not impossible. So the people also choose other methods to quit the smoking, the one of which is nicotine replacement therapy. So let us understand what is it. There are the ways to curb the craving for the nicotine without a prescription. First is nicotine patches. It is tied between your neck and waist and starts supplying a small amount of nicotine at a regular interval of time. This way you do not feel the urge to smoke every now and then. Second is the gums. Gums allows you to control the amount of nicotine. You can use the gum for the 30 minutes at a time. This is nasal spray. Nasal sprays are effective in providing the fast relief from the nicotine craving. This generally requires a prescription by the doctor. Your doctor can also prescribe you to take the two drugs, which is Chantix and the Zyban. Make sure that you follow the instructions given on the back of these drugs before you consume them. Overuse of these drugs can cause a serious side effects. These are all the possible methods that you can practice if you want to quit the smoking. There are a lot of after effects that you can experience with yourself once you leave the habit of smoking. First, you will require less amount of insulin to regulate the blood sugar levels, and you will less likely to develop the various heart diseases. Your immune system will be strong enough to fight the adverse effect of the diabetes in the different part of the body. The chances of you getting cancer at a very young age will be decreases. This is everything you need to know about the connection between the smoking and diabetes. Start the journey towards a healthy life today and feel the difference. You will be more stress-free. Friends, hope you all liked our suggestions and tips. If you want more free updates on diabetes and its treatment, please download the Diabetes Mantra app. And don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to see more of such videos. Thank you.